First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. If you want to create better prompts, start by understanding what information Ideogram AI needs to produce the result you want. Begin with the main subject. Clearly describe what should appear in the image. For example, instead of writing a restaurant, describe a modern rooftop restaurant at sunset with elegant tables, warm lights, city buildings in the background, and a premium lifestyle photography style. Next, describe the environment and background. Tell Ideogram AI where the subject is located and what important elements should appear around it. After that, add details about the visual style. You can request realistic photography, cinematic artwork, digital illustration, minimalist design, vintage poster style, or another specific direction. If your image needs text, include the exact wording and explain how you want it displayed. For example, you could specify a bold headline at the top, clean modern typography, and smaller supporting text underneath. You can also describe colors, lighting, mood, composition, and camera perspective. Once your prompt is ready, review the available generation settings and choose the options that fit your project. Now generate several variations. When the results appear, don't just look at the image as a whole. Check whether each important instruction from your prompt was followed. If the background is incorrect, improve the background description. If the colors are wrong, specify the color palette more clearly. If the composition is too crowded, ask for a cleaner and simpler layout. You can also create multiple versions by changing one part of the prompt at a time. This makes it easier to understand which instructions are improving your results. Avoid adding contradictory instructions and focus on the details that actually matter for your project.